I tried growing on YouTube for the past 6 years. I tried the gaming niche, marketing niche, self-improvement niche, and much more, but nothing worked. Every time I was preparing a video, I told myself this video will get picked up by the algorithm and I'll finally make a living out of it. That only happened 12 months ago when I finally managed to monetize my first big channel and make it work. In this video, I will tell you the real truth about how the YouTube algorithm works, what you need to focus on to blow up your channel, and all of this in a simple and straight to the point manner. So make sure you watch till the end. But before we jump into it, contrary to popular belief, you have to understand that the algorithm doesn't work against you. It's not pushing you down because you're a small creator or any sort of conspiracy theory. I used to believe that for a long time. And trust me, it's a waste of time. The only goal of the algorithm is to show your videos to people who might be interested in them. In the beginning, it defines that based on your video topic, category, keywords, analyzing what's in the video, etc. If your thumbnail and idea are generic, or the hook and delivery are nothing special, the algorithm will stop recommending your videos to new people. That's all. Think of it as a competitive game. When you open YouTube, you're competing with everybody on that page. If you constantly lose matches, meaning that no one clicks on your videos, the algorithm will stop recommending them. It's that simple. Now that we understand what the algorithm does, let's talk about the most important part, which is the idea of the video. Everything starts from here. The idea is the most important. If you just do stuff that you yourself would be interested in, but not the majority of people, you will never blow up on YouTube. Your job on YouTube is to satisfy a market need on a specific topic or trend. I'll give you an example. On my gaming channel, the first video that performed well was titled "How to Unf Your Aim in 2 Minutes." It's targeted towards a large group of people who want to improve their aim in Valorant, but at first glance, it can also resonate with any other FPS gamer, reaching an even larger audience. Now the problem was that everybody did videos on this topic. If I had just done something generic in 15-20 minutes, it wouldn't have performed well because there wasn't a market gap or demand for videos that were 50 minutes long, but a short, straight to the point tutorial of 2 minutes. That's another story. So that's what I mean when I say the idea is the most important. Check out what is trending or performing well in any niche, see if you can adapt that idea to your own niche and add your own twist to it. Make it remarkable and unique, not the same generic stuff. This brings me to the next idea. Nothing on YouTube is original, everybody steals ideas from everybody else. But how you can make it work for you is by combining elements from multiple viral videos. For example, on my biggest channel, the first video that went viral was titled "How to Stop Wasting Your Life, Miyamoto Musashi." It was a twist on the original video titled "How to Stop Wasting Your Life." I took the idea from a whole different video, but when I added Miyamoto Musashi, it completely changed. Now you're learning it from the perspective of a legendary samurai, not some random dude on the internet with no credibility. And that's what you can do with a bunch of your own videos. Take ideas and titles from other niches or topics and add your own twist to change them entirely. It works like magic. After you have the idea, the next important part is the packaging. How you perfectly represent the idea in your title and thumbnail. Here again, search for other outliers in multiple niches and choose a title and thumbnail that perfectly resonate with your idea. You know your packaging is good when people can guess what your video is about just by looking at your thumbnail, and if the thumbnail confirms the idea from the title. Also, you can go to extremes with the titles or thumbnails. If you can deliver like 50 to 60% on the promise from the title or thumbnail, people will still be satisfied and your video will perform well. These are the main things that are revolutionary in my eyes. If you want to take your channel to the next level and work one-on-one with me, or just get a bunch of free resources to make your YouTube journey easier, check out the link in the bio. See you later.